I'm here today to talk about advertising and marketing communication. So let's begin. Advertising lives no one. It touches the lives of people from the youngest to the oldest. While going to the college or to work, we are surrounded by images and sounds that communicate to us in one way or another. Advertising is everywhere at the same time. So now let's talk about the meaning of advertising. Like everyone knows, most of the words are being originated either from the Latin word or the Greek words. So the advertising is also originated from the Latin word, which means to turn the minds towards. And of course, the dictionary meaning of advertising is to give public notice or to announce publicity. This suggests that advertising is useful for drawing the attention of people towards a specific product or a service. And there are 6 M's of advertising, which are I'm going to discuss on the next slide. So begin. The first M is decide on the target segment. So, not all the products can be consumed by all customers, and each product has a different set of consumers who want to purchase the product. So, in order to attract a particular segment of the market, the company at times modify the product accordingly. So, take for an example the Kinder Joy. The target audience is children for that product. The second M is advertising objectives of an organization. So, before you create an ad, first consider what your business goals are. It is important to know what you want to achieve in order to choose the right objective. Your ad objective is what you want people to do when they see your ads. The third M is money. The word money itself explains that how much money is to be spent for effective ad campaigns. The best advertising budgets and campaigns focus on customers' needs and solve their problems, not companies' problem. The fourth M is message. What message can be sent to the target audience? So consider Vodafone. It is providing the same service as any other mobile networks, but due to Vodafone Zuzu's, Vodafone stands poles apart in its differentiation through advertising. Your advertising is your message to your customers. The fifth M is media. What kind of communication media need to be used? So imagine there are many types of media that is best for the target consumers, like mobile or internet advertising via social media may be the answer. Although traditional media such as print, television and radio may be best for a given product or market or target consumers. The last and the sixth M is measurement, determining how to evaluate results. So, measuring advertising effectiveness helps in finding out ineffective advertisement and advertising campaigns. It also facilitates timely adjustment in advertising to make advertising consumers oriented and result oriented. And of course, nobody wants to waste their money. So, waste of money in faulty advertisings can also be avoided. The question of the day is the role of advertising is engage audiences, remind audiences, stimulate audiences, or inform audiences. The correct answer is option A, engage audiences. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel, and for any query please mention in the comment box. Thank you.